Always a bridesmaid and never a bride. Always a bridesmaid and never a bride. It is an idiom. It means to never fulfill your ambition, your goal, and you are always the second best, not the first. A person who makes it to the finals but never wins the finals, never wins the contest. He will be always the second place. He will never go to the first place. And when a person is such type, we say he is always a bridesmaid, never a bride. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, when will I get a promotion? I am so sick of being always the bridesmaid, never the bride. So this man has been working for 10 years in the same position. He never got promotion and he is vexed with that job, and he says he is very sick of being always bridesmaid. Other people are getting promotions, not me. I am always the second person. I never got the promotion. The second one, this is the 5th time he has come in second place. Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. He participated in the event. This is the 5th time he is participating. This time also he stood in the second place. There is somebody who took the first place. So that's the reason he was always the bridesmaid, never the bride. He never became the first. He was the second person. The third one, her win in this race helped to destroy the idea that she is always the bridesmaid, never the bride. People used to believe that she will never win the race. But this time she won the race. When she won the race and people realized, yes, she also be the winner. But people used to believe that she was always bridesmaid. She would never win the race. But now she broke that belief and she won the race. The fourth one, my cousin took part in the elections and lost again. She is always a bridesmaid and never a bride. So again my cousin contested in the elections and she lost the election. Not only this, the first time, she did it many times. So she is always the second best, not the first. The fifth one, my friend Ranjit is a wonderful actor, but unfortunately she is always a bridesmaid and never a bride. Ranjit is a wonderful actor, but he is not getting the opportunities to become a hero, whatever role that he wanted to enact. So that's the reason he is always a bridesmaid, never a bride. So this is a quite natural idiom, and probably this idiom has originated in the words of 1917 song by Charles Collins and Lily Morris. Why am I always the bridesmaid, never the blushing bride? It's quite natural that in marriage season, bride always gets the attention of the public, whereas the bridesmaid is the second focus of the attention. Nobody focuses attention on bridesmaid. The entire attention will be on only the bride. So that's the reason always a bridesmaid, never a bride means you will never be the first person in your life. You will be the second best in your life.